Hey guys, today I wanted to give my first thoughts and impressions of the AJAZZ M259 wireless gaming mouse. So this is what it looks like. This is pretty sweet. So they're trying to save as much weight as possible here. You can actually see the PCB of the mouse in there, but you still have your side buttons, your two top buttons, mouse wheel. You do not have a DPI adjuster though. So this thing is very light, slides around very nice on these skates right here. Don't mind the felt from my table on there. But overall super nice and surprisingly comfortable even though you're on these kind of horizontal bars right here. So first test I want to do is how much does it weigh? Coming in at 5.8 grams, so very, very light. And this also has a 2.4G or a Bluetooth option. Right here we have our wireless dongle. It can either be USB-A like this or USB-C. Now another highlight here is this charging cable is one of the softest, let's see, so this cannot be removed, the little rubber thing, but this is one of the softest cables I've ever felt. This feels like a piece of string. I don't actually even feel the cable in it. So this is the USB-C to USB-A cable. And man, this is just a high quality soft cable. It's actually pretty insane how soft that is. So that's what the mouse is like. I will have links for it down below, guys, if you're interested. And as always, thanks for watching Modern Reviews. I'll have some additional links up here.